We independently research, test, review, and recommend the best products. Healthcare professionals review articles for medical accuracy. In this video we're checking out the top 5 best inversion tables to reduce back pain. For you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Bodyvision IT9550 Deluxe Inversion Table. Not only is the Bodyvision IT9550 Deluxe Inversion Table affordable, it features a foam backrest and headrest, which is also removable, to help target neck and back pain, making it the best overall choice. Each foot of the table is equipped with a smooth cap that helps prevent scuff marks on your floor, and the rear inversion bar makes that you don't invert further than intended, either 20, 40, 60, or 90 degrees. It features 4 high-density foam rollers that can comfortably hold your ankles without pinching or feeling too tight. If you're looking to target your back pain, this table also comes with an adjustable and removable lumbar support bar so you can place it right where you need it. At number 4, Innova Health and Fitness ITX 9600 Inversion Table. The best inversion tables prioritize safety, comfort, and ease of use, and the Innova ITX 9600 inversion table covers all the bases. It features a padded backrest and headrest, making it great for neck pain, as well as padded handles so you can steady yourself while in use. When using the table, you will be held in by the adjustable ankle straps that can be adjusted to match your height. This model utilizes a point pin system that can safely hold you at 6 different inversion points ranging from 15 degrees to a full 90-degree inversion. The table has a very sturdy metal frame, honestly, it looks like a piece of high-end gym equipment, and has a wide stance for improved balance and stability. The additional padded handlebars give you a convenient way to hold yourself in place as you start to invert. At number 3, Ironman 4000 Highest Weight Capacity Inversion Table. Many inversion tables, including the others on this list, set a max capacity between 250 and 300 pounds. That's why, for people over 300 pounds or those wanting the extra stability of a heavy-duty table, we recommend the Ironman 4000 Highest Weight Capacity Inversion Table. In addition to the higher weight capacity, this table has a larger height capacity too. Where most tables max out around 6 feet, this table can accommodate people up to 6 feet, 6 inches. This table also includes other perks to help make using the table easier and more comfortable. An adjustable lumbar support bar is included as well as an easy-to-reach, palm-activated, handle that can tighten the ankle holds using its ratchet locking system. The backrest features comfortable memory foam covered in scratch-resistant vinyl for extra durability. At number 2, Exerpeutic 225 SL Inversion Table with Surelock Safety Ratchet System. When shopping for an inversion table, safety is one of the biggest considerations, especially if you plan to be inverted at very steep angles. The Exerpeutic inversion table includes some great safety features while prioritizing comfort and ease of use. The ankle holds are held securely with a Surelock double lock ratchet system that prevents the holds from loosening. The ankle holds are equipped with airsoft chambers that fill with air to securely squeeze your ankles without pinching or putting unnecessary stress on your ankles. The rear crossbar spans across the legs, allowing you to only invert far enough until the table rests on the crossbar. This greatly reduces the risk of over-inverting past your comfort level. The crossbar can be placed at 3 different inversion points or can be removed entirely for more vertical inversions. Finally at number 1, Innova ITM 4800 Advanced Heat and Massage Inversion Table. For those looking to treat their back and neck pain, Innova ITM 4800 Advanced Heat and Massage Inversion Table has several built-in features that specifically target those areas. This model includes a heat and massage lumbar support bar that you can adjust to the areas of your back that need it the most. This table is adjustable and can accommodate a person's height between 4 feet 10 inches and 6 feet 6 inches. The table's center of gravity is set at waist level, so no matter your height, you will be able to invert safely just by moving your arms above your head or moving them back down at your sides to return to a standing position. The strong metal frame is very sturdy and can accommodate people up to 300 pounds. The ankle holds also feature an extra long adjustment bar so that you can easily adjust the tightness without having to bend over or step off of the table. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.